If you're a business with a large team and you're considering Sage 50 Cloud versus Wave for your accounting needs, you're probably wondering which one will work best for your team. Both have their merits, but when it comes to supporting a large number of users and scaling as your team grows, one may stand out as a better choice. Stick around to find out which software is the right fit for your large team and why you might want to consider something else entirely. Let's start with Sage 50 Cloud. It's a robust accounting solution that's ideal for mid to large sized businesses. One of the key advantages is its advanced features like inventory management, payroll, and job costing. These are perfect for businesses that need detailed financials. Sage 50 Cloud integrates well with Microsoft 365, making it a strong contender for businesses already using those tools. However, despite its feature set, it can be a bit overwhelming for large teams due to its complex interface. It's not the most user-friendly software out there, and onboarding new team members could take some time. Now, let's talk about Wave. Wave is a free accounting software, which sounds great for startups or small teams, but is it really cut out for larger teams? Wave is an intuitive platform and great for small businesses, especially if you're looking for an affordable option. However, it lacks the advanced features that larger teams typically need, like multi-user management, advanced reporting, and more robust integrations with other enterprise systems. Wave is also limited when it comes to scalability, so if your team is growing rapidly, Wave might quickly feel like it's holding you back. Next thing to consider is scalability. With Sage 50 Cloud, you have more flexibility to expand as your business grows. It's built to support larger operations, and the cloud-based features make remote work a lot easier for big teams. However, the cost can escalate as you add more users, which is something you'll need to keep in mind for your budgeting. Wave, on the other hand, while free, doesn't provide the scalability that large teams require. You might be able to add a few users, but the features are too limited for any real growth or complexity. The fourth thing is support. Sage 50 Cloud provides customer service, but it's not always the most responsive or helpful, and you'll find that support can get expensive if you need higher tier service. For a large team, that might be a significant issue. Wave, being free, doesn't offer the same level of customer support as paid solutions, and you might find yourself struggling to get answers to more complex issues. So, as your team grows and your needs become more intricate, both Sage 50 Cloud and Wave might leave you hanging in certain situations. Lastly, let's look at pricing. Sage 50 Cloud offers a range of pricing tiers, which can be a bit on the expensive side for larger teams. You're paying for the robust features, but if you're not using all of them, it might feel like you're overpaying for the value. Wave is free for core features, which is hard to beat, but you're getting what you pay for in terms of limitations. Now, don't get me wrong, both Sage 50 Cloud and Wave are great software options in their own right. But after trying both of them out and considering what large teams need, they fall short in terms of long-term scalability, ease of use, and support for a growing business. So if you want a better alternative that supports large teams, offers better scalability, and more efficient workflows, then I'd highly recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. In conclusion, while Sage 50 Cloud and Wave might work for smaller teams or certain business models, if you're looking for a solution that truly supports large teams without the headaches, don't miss out on that free trial.